Hello. Somebody gave me an idea to do an ASMR unboxing. It was Kyle. He did one. It looked awesome. So now I want to do one. So this is all about the unboxing. What could this be? It's a fidget, of course. So this is actually a Haptic coin by Umburry. He came out with these really beautiful engraved Haptic coins, and a lot of them had to do with mythology. And this one I saw, and it looked so beautiful. These are actually the new, I guess, armored type that he came out with. I haven't seen this one before. Oh, look at it. Umburry, the original Haptic coin. So this is the armored series. Wow, this is way more beautiful than I thought. Look at it. So armored because I guess of this part right here. So this is Icarus falling from the sun. Very nice. I would highly recommend any of Umburry's coins. How do you open this? You push up from the bottom here? Do I even have anything to push up from the bottom? I bet you guys want to see. Hold on, let me try to find something. Hey, I found a toothpick. So you just want to push it from the back. Ooh. So the bottom, it's its own plate here with magnets. We've got the thrust bearing, and then the original Haptic coin by Umburry. The detail on that. Oh my gosh. Somebody were to give this to me like as a kid, I would die. I'd say the magnet strength is probably in the middle. I've had stronger ones and I've had weaker ones. I'll say that right in the middle is probably the best. Because you don't have hand fatigue. It's not incredibly loud, but you still have a nice amount of haptic feedback. So there you go. Look at how beautiful. Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.